Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the week so far, and welcome to this new video on Solana. All right, wanted to give you my thoughts. Wanted to give you my thoughts on the fundamentals, technicals. We'll do a full overview, basically as always, because it is necessary. All right. Yesterday morning, I was slightly optimistic about Solana. After we broke back above 145 right here, and yesterday morning we actually also broke above this level here at 150, which historically is a pretty strong level. It's also a strong psychological resistance level or support level, key level. So breaking above those two levels made me slightly optimistic, but what we talked about is that in general, and that was the case yesterday as well, the market circumstances are not ideal. All right. Also, if you look at Solana right here. So when we're talking about the momentum that Solana had yesterday, it was slightly going up here, but it wasn't bullish yet. All right, something like this more so looks like a bearish flag when we're talking in technical terms than the start of a real uptrend. I mean, if you look at the start of a real uptrend for Solana, we can find that as well. It's more like this. All right, so this is strong bullish momentum that continues, and that's also quite steep. So this was not much, and in the end, especially with the unrest in the world, when Bitcoin got that bearish breakout yesterday, that also resulted in Solana falling down below 145, which we talked about it in the video. All right, what we talked about in the video yesterday is that, all right, we got some bullish confirmations here, but the market is not that stable yet. If you look at the fundamentals for Solana specifically, they're pretty bearish. The total value locked right now has been decreasing basically since the start of April. Daily active addresses are dropping down. Daily transactions are fine, but they're also not super bullish. And DEX volumes are fine as well. So overall, the fundamentals are not too great, but obviously at this point of time, Solana is just very correlated to Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin is affected by unrest in the world and it gets a bearish breakout, you can bet that Solana is going to follow that. So that happened. We broke down below 145, and I would say that we are bearish right now. All right, that's just the truth of it. There's a lot of great support. Like, for example, here at 130, that's the support that's holding up right now. And I'm not telling you that we're going to be bearish forever. But it is very clear if you look, especially since April, it's quite clear that this is bearish. All right, this is a downtrend. We're making lower lows, we're making lower highs. So is it possible that we can recover? Yes, but we need a bullish Bitcoin. All right, we need a strong bounce from Bitcoin. We need a bullish breakout, and we need to see some real money streaming into Bitcoin. If that happens, then Solana can do something. But for now, I have to assume, and that's just in line with the technical structure, but I have to assume that, we might hold this level for a bit longer. But that it is most likely that we'll also drop down to 115 here. And if Bitcoin from there, if Bitcoin from there is also not strong enough, we'll drop down lower towards 110, 105, those levels. So that's most likely. Now, I'm not telling you that we're going to crash. I don't think we're going to crash unless we get some real escalation in the world again. It's possible, so be prepared for it. That's not what I think is most likely, though. I think it's most likely that we will kind of slowly, maybe with a spike up here and there, start to drop down. And like I said, keep your eyes on Bitcoin, because theoretically, practically, Bitcoin could turn around at any point of time. All right, and when Bitcoin turns around, Solana can turn around as well. That's the main thing to know. That's the main thing to keep your eyes on. And that's the video for now. So if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.